Hey y'all, it's me Alicia, and in this video you see me adding a clasp to this Prosperity Aventurine waist bead. It's a screw-on clasp, and I already have added the clasp and threaded it through, and right now I'm just adding a knot just for extra security, so the clasp will be secure when you wear it. So you will have it'll be a crimp bead and it'll be a knot just for extra security, and I'm just kind of finishing it with the little last knot. And then after that, I clip the ends with the extra string with my scissors. Then I test the screw-on clasp to make sure that it screws on good for you, and then getting it all packed up and ready to go. And so, if you want to see more content like this, guys, of our waist beads, how we make them, what they look like, what our specials are, click the subscribe button and follow us.